Hey folks, today we have a red hot 1955 Chevy C10. It's sitting on a complete custom chassis. Big 20-inch wheels look awesome on there. The stance is right. Custom interior, LS motor under the hood, exhaust dumps. It's got all the goodies. Go to volocars.com. You can see 200 classic cars, all for sale. Each one will have a price tag and a monthly payment, including this one right here. But for right now, join me. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, it's a slick red paint job. They've cleaned it up. You know, there's no emblems or moldings or hood ornaments, just a nice, smooth, clean hood here. Fenders all looking good. The eyebrows look nice. All this is slick. There's some bumps right around here on the body and paint right up on top there. This is all nice and clean. Down here, looks like there's a little bit of like peeling or something there. There's like a line, all nice, clean, nice body lines here, all really good. The roof is all real sharp. Back fenders, all metal truck too. Fenders look immaculate, all looking real sharp. Tailgate's a Chevrolet across it. Has a rolled pan down here instead of a bumper with the recessed license plate. That's all looking really good. The fender looks real nice, all metal. There's a touch up right there. All this is nice and clean. All this is nice, all clean box. Cab corners are all nice, clean. That's a neat design there. Doors look real nice. Let me open it. There's a touch up right here. So it presents itself really well. A few minor little flaws when you go around looking for them. Doors shut real nice. This fender is all nice and clean. It's got the big back window. It's got a new windshield and the rubber gasket. Looks like they deleted the wipers. The chrome grille is beautiful. The chrome headlight bezels, the lenses, the bumper, all that's redone real sharp. There's a touch up here and a little stress crack right there. Let's talk about those wheels. They look like they're brand new. They're Bose wheels, 20-inch, and they are wrapped in some performance tires, really wide, especially in back, extra, extra wide. The stainless trim looks like it's been replaced. They've eliminated the vent window, so it's just one piece glass, so those windows must be replaced. It's the big wraparound back window that looks original, but the gasket looks like it's been replaced. And then in back, you got the factory style chains, tail lights. And why don't we open it up? I'll show you that cool interior and check out the motor. All right, so the tonneau cover wraps around, held on with Velcro, so it would be waterproof once it's on. You can see this has a custom diamond plate bottom, extra wide wheel tubs for them wide wheels, and looks to be in real good shape. That's your actual fuel tank. It's diamond plate, and on the other side is a box, and inside is the battery. So your fuel and battery are back there in the box. Tailgate does open. And when you subscribe to our YouTube channel, click the bell icon. You'll be notified as new videos are posted. So they painted the inside of the cab at the same time, so the jambs and the doors are painted. A little tiny door panel is the Chevy bow tie embossed in it. The handles and armrests look like they've been replaced. It's got a really nice set of red gauges. They light up real nice. There's, I don't want to start it, but yeah, you can see they're all nice and red. Those are all new white lightning gauges. All smooth dash. This is all custom reworked, nice, smooth, clean metal. And then they made this panel down below. You have your push button start, stereo, your AC vents and controls, and Terminator X EFI control panel. Got some little speakers in the kick panels. It's been carpeted. Seats are all new custom seats. They feel great. It has this real nice center buddy cushion or armrest with cup holders. All painted inside. Does have a headliner like the original. Visors, mirror. And then we got this nice leather wrapped steering wheel on a polished tilt column. Plenty of room in here, that's for sure. All right, let's go check out that motor. When I started it, the exhaust dumps were open, and holy cow, it started right up and it roars. So it's an LS3 motor. Up on top here is a Holley electronic fuel injection system. That's a real cool looking intake setup. I like that. With this polished intake tube, polished throttle body. Big, tall, polished valve covers make it look like a big block over their fake valve covers, I should say. Stainless steel headers. Firewall smoothed out. All this here is for your heat and air conditioning. It does have air conditioning. It has the stainless hoses, big aluminum Champion radiator with electric fan. This here looks like it's the overflow bottle. And of course, you got power brakes. So it's a healthy motor, that's for sure. Michael's going to fire it up for you, and you can see for yourself, and I'll see you in a few minutes. So this is sitting on a complete custom chassis. I mean, all of it. The frame, it's all boxed. It's a custom frame. Up front, it has like a tubular front end cross member, engine support, cradle, whatever you want to call it. Independent suspension with tubular control arms, coilover adjustable gas shocks, rack and pinion steering. In back, it has 4-link ladder bars with a panhard bar, triangulated bar. A lot of big terms, huh? With the coilover adjustable gas shocks in the back as well. It has a custom dual exhaust system with Flowmaster mufflers and those electric dumps. It's on the keychain. It opens up, and boy, awesome. Disc brakes at all 4 of the wheels, drilled and slotted, or just drilled actually in this case. They're all drilled 4-wheel disc brakes. You look up the motor, it's clean. It has a Holley aluminum oil pan, it has a high torque starter, 4L60 overdrive automatic transmission, a Ford 9-inch rear end in the back with posi gears. So it's got a lot going for it, and it's a pretty truck. It's going to do well at any cruise night, or you're going to turn a lot of heads. You have to look at it close to find the flaws, and there are some. But you're sitting on a custom chassis, LS motor, sharp-looking, big window truck. Go to volocars.com. Salesmen can help answer your questions, including how to get this delivered to your door. If you need financing, they can help with that too. Thanks for watching.